Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chief from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also Matarino. So ngayong hapon, natutigan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 1 hanggang November 7 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides sa ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik diglig na gooma po manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dala ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ko ng pasabog at bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid nating Sagittarius. There is a hierophant, a lesson learned, a separations, religious beliefs, additional messages. Because there is a 10 of wands, there is a lot of burden, obligation, responsibilities, no? Kumbaga dapat sinasabi dito na matuto ka na, no, sa mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo. Kumbaga sinasabi ng 10 of wands kasi is a burden talaga, talaga there's some sakripisyo no? Kumbaga dapat alam mo dapat yung grounds mo, no? Kumbaga dapat marunong ka rin magpahalaga ng sarili mo. Kasi parang lahat kasi ng inalay mo It's either you are also a breadwinner, no? And of course, there's a the hangman, no? Kumbaga, there's a delays, cancellation, or something, no? Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng pagbagal ng pagpasok ng magandang kapalaran sa'yo. Or something, kumbaga, mabagal ang pasok ng pera sa'yo. Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a 5 of wands. I told you so. Kumbaga, meron talagang conflict. Nagbibigay sa'yo ng conflict or there's a competitor or there's an information na sinasabi dito na maaaring there's a religious talaga, no? Religious factor like may taong nagbibigay sa'yo ng pagbagal ng pasok ng pera, no? Parang ang bigat-bigat, ramdam na ramdam ko. And of course, there is a hermit card. Kumbaga, there is information na sinasabi dito, there's a soul searching. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung nangyayari, natural and of course, spiritual. No? Kumbaga, there's a hermit card, para pinapaalala dito na merong tungkol sa spirituality, na ginawan ka ng complications or something, pagbagal ng kumbaga, nakakaranas ka ng pagpasok ng pera pero tendency parang hindi sapat. So, walang savings or something, kinakapos pa. No, kaya kailangan maging aware ka. And because there's a 10 of Pentacles, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng long-term investment. Parang sinasabi na there's a challenges for you about sa spirituality. Let's see what is additional messages for this Hierophant. There's a 9 of Pentacles. There's a blossoming abundance. So, ibig sabihin dito talagang magkakaroon ka ng masaganang eksena, no? Kumbaga dudumugin na talagang dadami ang customer mo dito. And of course, there's an Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning. Dapat, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula, no? At there's a victory and success. And of course, there's a Knight of Swords. Maalis yung anxieties, depressions, stress, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, maaalis na yung mga, kumbaga, nahihirap ka sa pagtulog kasi that because of stress, no? Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, deception, depressions. And of course, sinasabi dito sa'yo na, maaaring nga nagkukos yan dahil sa pagbagal ng pagpasok sa'yo ng maganda kapalaran. So, what is the 5 of wands? There's a page of cups. Listen to your intuitions, no? Makinig ka lagi sa gut feeling mo. Kapag alam mong it's not a normal, kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo, mayroon naman pumapasok, pero bakit ganon, no? Parang, ang bilis maubos sa pera sa akin or something, na bakit hindi siya dumadaloy or something na bagal. Hindi naman ganito dati, di ba? Kumbaga, pay attention. No? May taong gumagawa sa'yo ng black magic involved. What is the Hermit card? Hermit card is a tower moment. See? Kumbaga gusto ka nitong pabagsakin. Gusto nito, there's a bankruptcy. Ano? Kailangan, kumbaga ginagawa ka nito para magkaroon ng chows or pagkabagsak o there's a destruction or disaster. So let's see what is the 10 of Pentacles. So, there's a magician. There's a manifestation. See? There's a magician. There's a manifestation. At the same time, there's a two of swords. There's a decision. No, there's a decision that you need to make. And of course, there's an eight of wands. There's a fast communication, fast movement. No? Kumbaga, binibigyan ka na ng signs of synchronicities ang ating angel spirit. At makinig ka. So, let's see what is the ten of wands and the ace of wands. There's the word card. There's the trouble. So, some of you marami kang gala or there's a travel information na sinasabi dito baka makapang ibang bansa ka. Or baka galing ka sa ibang bansa o umuwi ka na, no? Uuwi ka na. Because there's a four of pentacles, there's a protect your power, protect your energy. Kumbaga mag-savings ka, mag-budget ka, gano'n. So what is the five of wands and the page of cups? What is the five of wands and the page of cups? So ibig sabihin dito there's the star card, there's a wish fulfillment, there's a hope, no? May pag-asa din dito. Because there's a miracle shining through. And because there's the queen of pentacles. Kumbaga magkakaroon daw ng possible na magkakaroon ng himala, no? Kumbaga bigla ka makakabangon. Kaya kailangan mo mag-take ng action ha para makabangon ka muli. And of course there's a queen of pentacles, there's a practical, no? Maging practical ka na this time. And I told you, there's a devil with a magician, no? Kumbaga, there's a decision na kailangan mong gawin, no? Kumbaga, ginagawa ka nito para hindi mo makamit tong the long-term and long-term investment. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome nito is Six of Pentacles. There's a giving and receiving something by the universe. Magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. At the same time, there's a Ten of Cups. There's a happiness. So, some of you guys, baka naiinggit to sa family mo, or naiinggit to sa'yo, no? Let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. Let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. There's a tactics, no? Maaaring control. Kontrolin mo yung emotions mo. Kontrolin mo yung detachment, no? Kailangan mo kumawala or kailangan bumitaw sa mga tao sa paligid mo. No? Parang nakakaramdam ka ng nakakawalang gana or something ganon. Parang nawawalan ka na ng gana. Ganon. Because there's a unexpected storm. So, ibig sabihin dito, meron talagang meron talagang pagsubok na papasok talaga sa buhay mo, no? Na pipilitin ka pabagsakin. See, talagang there's some tower, no? Na talagang may kidlap na something, there's a destruction or disaster, no? And of course, there's a fulfillment, wishes. Pero may lumabas sa star card, kaya magkakaroon ka ng katuparan sa mga pangarap mo. So, this is it. No? Para susubukin ka dito yung pananampalataya at paniniwala mo. Parang ganon. So, let's see what is the love oracle card. What is this love oracle card? There's a mirror, reflection, no? Kailangan marunong kang protection na yung sarili mo para kailangan mag-reflect sa kanila yung ginagawa nila, no? Hindi mo ma-absorb. And of course, there's an abundance. Magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan. And of course, there's a paradise, happiness, and expansion. Let's see what is Archangel Michael, messages for you. Archangel Michael, you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka daw. No? And pay attention to your dreams. No? Kailangan mong tumutok kung ano talaga yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. No? Yung pangarap mo. Additional messages. And of course, the created severing. So, sinasabi dito, Mars energy, angers, conflict. Yung pagiging mainitin ng ulo, no? Yung pagiging padalos-dalos. Alisin mo yan kasi yun yung nagbibigay komplikado sa'yo. So, let's see what is this monthology. What is this monthology? Expect the powerful change. So, there's a changes talaga na biglaan na hindi mo inaasahan. And because there's a look at the bigger picture. Tingnan mo yung bigger picture of yourself o yung pinakamagaganda kahihinat na nangyayari sa'yo. Even sa finances. Lagi niyo titignan mo yung both, better side of your situation. And of course, there's a denial. No? Kung baga sinasabi dito, alisin mo yung fear. Replace mo yan ng confident and of course, ng awareness. And of course, there's an honesty. Kailangan maging totoo ka, tapat ka sa sarili mo. No? So, let's see what is additional messages. There is an action. So, kailangan mo talaga taking action. Kailangan mo talagang kumilos at kailangan solusyonan, no? And because there is a dolphin for enjoy your life from the fullest. And pass over loved ones. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a support by your ancestors. So, ibig sabihin may gumagabay daw sa iyo mga mahal mo sa buhay na yumao, no? At hindi ka pinababayaan. At let's see what is this energy. Let's see what is this energy. There's an appreciation. So, ibig sabihin, marunong ka mag-appreciate ng bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. Maliit man yan o bagay, malaki, no? So, there's the word card. There's a trouble. Talaga double clarification ng the word card represent a trouble, no? May trouble ka talaga dito. So, let's see what is this chakra messages for you. Or baka hinaharang yung pag ibang bansa mo, baka ganun. No, baka hindi ka makaalis-alis, ganito, ganyan. There's a joy, no? So, sinasabi dito, magiging masaya ka. And there's a despondence. Parang sinasabi dito na, parang, irritable ka, parang wala ka sa wish or something. No? Parang naguguluhan ka. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael messages, do more research, no? Kailangan mong alamin, kailangan mong tuklasin yun nangyayari sa iyo sa paligid mo, even about sa finances, sa relasyon, na kumbaga kung hindi na siya natural, na nangyayari, kumbaga parang ang weird na para sa iyo, no? Parang kumbaga nakikita mo sa sarili mo or sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo na it's not normal. Pagdating sa finances, hindi siya normal. Kasi maganda naman ang pasok, pero bakit ganun? Parang palabas lahat, no? And because there's an energy healing works, no? Kailangan mo talaga magpagamot, no? Energy healing, kailangan mo magpagamot. Magpa-albularyo or something. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. What is the Jesus loving quotes? Your faith has saved you in the go in faith. So, ibig sabihin dito, yung pananampalataya mo talaga, sinusubukan pa na ng pananampalataya mo dito. So, kapag nagpasa mo, bibigyan ka ng kapayapaan at makukuha mo ang karangyaan, no? Talagang sinusubukan paniniwala at pananampalataya mo sa ating Panginoon. So, let's see what is this energy. Angel's number. Angel's number represent, there's a 0. I am limitless. Pagdating sa'yo, walang limitado, no? There is no beginning and there's no end. All is infinite. It is time to develop your spiritual side. You are gaining new sights and understand of both godly and earthly things. See? Kailangan tignan mo ang nangyayari sa'yo, both side. Spiritual. And of course, there's information na sinasabi sa'yo dito na minsan hindi normal. Diba? Kung mag-about sa spirituality, meron talagang naghahatak ng negative energy o may gumagawa ng negative energy or negative traits sa'yo, no? Kumbaga, kailangan maging aware ka. So, let's see what is this messages of life. Let's see what is this messages of life. Application. So, let's see. Today, I apply all that I have learned during my spiritual guest. I practice love in my daily life. I allow my inner light to lift my thoughts. As I do so, the law of universal love take root in my life. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a spirituality involved dito, no? There's a spiritual, spiritual awakening or spiritual activations. Kumbaga, parang pinapalawak at para pinapalaki ang kaalaman mo pagdating sa spiritual. So, ibig sabihin dito, parang ginigising ka, no? Sa paniniwala at pananampalataya na dapat kung saan ka dapat, kumbaga, naniniwala. No? Guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of November 1 hanggang November 7 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik diglig na guumapaw manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat, Sagittarius, for your wonderful reading. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!